ASMR. So I'm going to be doing a pop burping ASMR video. Thank you for tuning in to Saucy ASMRs and Mukbangs. Ooh. So this is a clear American ice, black raspberry naturally flavored sparkling water beverage with other natural flavors. It's very yummy. I got it for 52 cents at Walmart. Ooh. I don't know why, but every time I do these, I burp so much when I get off the video. So much. I sometimes want to run back on and go, you know. I hope you guys don't have a hard time hearing me, because I don't have on my microphone. But it's real hot here today. It's like 95 degrees where I am. Hence one of the reasons I've got on this skinny tank top. It's very, very hot. How you guys doing? This is not a silent one. Otherwise, if I don't talk, I'll be sitting up here looking real dumb. Ooh. I have a mukbang. I don't know. Some people say mukbang. Some people say mukbangs. But I say mukbang. I have a mukbang buddy by the name of Jalil Odom. And he calls me a burping beauty, which I love. I think that's the most beautiful thing that anybody has ever said to me about burping. And as I always say, when I'm doing my ASMRs videos, I am in character. This is not me in person, in real life. I had to turn the light on so I can get a glow, because the sun is going down and it would be too dark in here. These things are so good. They do have a tad bit of an aftertaste. But I really like this black raspberry one because it does not have as much of an aftertaste. Oh my goodness, that one went way deep. Oh goodness. You guys, we got a water valve outside where we don't know whether somebody hit it or because it's so hot, the homeless have decided that they were going to bust it open, but water is everywhere. So the city is going to have to come, and I hear the fire department out there now. So I had to go see what's going on. After I drink it, which is almost now. Y'all hear the fire department honking? I have about that much. I'm gonna sit for a little while because more will come. The moment I get off the video, what'll end up happening is I'll be, you know, really, really hard. And see, I have one person who is a subscriber, and they asked me, y'all hear that? That's from the water valve. What was the difference between a belch and a burp? A burp is when you go, a belch is when it comes, you know, when it comes real deep. Like that right there, that's a burp. Those are burps. I'm gonna see if I can give you a belch. That's a burp. Whew. Well, I finally got this video out for Trenton. Got this video out for you, so hopefully you see it. It's a really, really It's a really, really easy video, so I will be doing more often. And still, that is a burp. Let me go ahead and eat my Twizzler. Still a burp. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna come. And I couldn't drink no more because I was 17 fluid ounces. I can't drink anymore. If I drink anymore, I'll puke. Well, you guys, if I have another one, I'll come back and insert it. That's still a burp. I'll insert it in, okay? Otherwise, have a great day. Bye-bye. Well, I didn't have a belch for you, but at least I was able to include that. Thank you so much for tuning in to Saucy ASMRs. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend, and hopefully I will be uploading another video. Okay? I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Belch. That was a belch. Okay? Bye-bye, y'all. Now they all want to come. I told you.